Ed Fite is a landowner in Cherokee County, where both film versions of Where the Red Fern Grows were shot. For many years, the set from the 2003 movie remained on his land, but he tells us why you won't see it there today.
Cabin set right here for the second movie, and we can walk down and I'll show you the remains of it here in a bit. We'd had some water on this field in 2011. In April and May of 2011, we had back-to-back flood events that brought the river up to around 28 feet. But then we had a bigger storm came along in December 2015 when we really got to almost 30 feet. And that was just enough pressure that it moved the house. When the house floated off, it left it just like a wagon trail. But anyway, if we go down a couple of fence rows, the house is laying down in a cane break. When the flood came through, it picked the house up and moved it down here. Well, literally, Jennifer, what has happened is the river picked up the house and brought it all the way across that field, sliding it across the field. You saw where it had the trail.
Yeah.
And it rested up against the tree up here where the bedroom came off. And then the force of the water brought it here. And as that water was rushing through the house, it basically blew the house apart. But that house had, you can see how high it was at one time, but that is the loft or the bedroom off the main portion of the house. The producers built a really substantial house. And you see that it has pine studs under the floor and plywood decking, but it had oak flooring on top of it, had oak on the walls, and the river came up and said she wanted to move this house, and she did it.